Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a collaboration that was started by my friend Paige at Stamp Girl and myself, Craft Our Paper Stash cards. So the idea is use what you have in your paper stash and make more or less five cards. You can make more or less. I think I made 6 just because that's how it worked out. And we post on the 15th of every month and usually around 7 a.m. Eastern, not a set time, but that's about when we post. And there's a group of us now, so everyone will be linked down below. Please do check everyone else's channels out as well and see what they've come up with crafting our stash. So this month, I am still trying to use up paper. Always trying to use up paper. True Love Designer Series paper is what I used, and that retires by June 30th, if not earlier. And I used one whole sheet of this daisy paper. This set of paper is all black and white, but there were 2 sheets of this 12 by 12, and I used up one sheet to make 6 cards. I also used the Daisy Gardens background cling stamp set and my Stamparatus, and I used the thank you and so very much from Plentiful Plants, which I haven't used except for that so far. I also used the gingham ribbon 1/4 inch in Bumblebee color. You can maybe sort of see it in there. These are retired, the 2020 to 2022 in color enamel dots. Between these 2 packs, I had exactly enough for 3 of the Bumblebee color on each card. And then I used my seal, my wet glue, and this punch, the triple banner pick-a-punch? Banner pick-a-punch, not triple banner. Banner pick-a-punch. And I used the one with the flag for 3 of the cards. The other 3 I did not. So let me show you the 3 where I used they're all basically the same. Oh, and also I sort of started off following this design, except that this is designer paper and I used a stamp. I didn't do the ribbon this way. The sentiment's sort of in the same place, but changed it. And I actually had already cut the cards before I found this design. This was from February 2020. Call Me Crafty Owl's sheet load of cards. And I didn't really follow how she cut it because I cut 6 of these pieces. So if you cut your 12 by 12 paper in 4-inch columns, 4, 4, and 4, then you just end up with about 1.5 inches of a piece of paper, about a little longer than this, about, well, 4 by 1.5 inches is what you end up with. So that's what I did, and then I used the strips at the bottom upside down. The other side of that paper is this stripe. So see, so I used it all. 3 of them, like I said, I flagged. So this is the background stamp called Daisy Garden, and here are the first 3. And on the inside, all I did was put a white and put so very much. And so thank you so very much. These I will be using as my thank you cards for those who have purchased from me in June or who continue to purchase from me in June. So right now I have enough. I don't know if I'll have enough going forward. We'll see. And then these 3 are the other ones. This is Bumblebee cardstock in basic black. The ribbon here you can sort of see it's in the same place pretty much on all of them, but in this case I didn't flag the sentiments. I put the strip that was left from cutting this down all the way across to the 4-inch designer paper, leaving a little bit of the ribbon showing. And then these are cut to 3 inches wide by about 1 inch. And I just stamped the thank you in Bumblebee in all cases. And like I said, the inside is the same. I just have so very much. I thought about putting the background in there, but I decided not to. So those are my 6 cards. This one I see I got a little faint. Yeah, oh well. But these are the sheets of the paper. This is stamping with the Stamparatus. And these are stamping with a block. So if you are interested in any of these products, except for the dots, we do have other dots, but they're square and that are in Bumblebee. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. I'd love to have your business. These two are new, so they're available for sure. The True Love paper, as far as I know, is still available through the end of June or while supplies last. And the gingham ribbon is available in the annual catalog. It's item 153658. So really, and the punch is available. So everything's available except the dots, and the True Love retires soon. So it, you know, I can't guarantee it'll last till June 30th. The black and white paper series, yeah. And I used Memento Tuxedo Black to stamp those. So there you go, my 6 cards for the month. Thank you cards, which I always need and don't always get out, so I apologize to my customers. And this is the host code for any orders under $150 in the month of June. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.